Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Acid resistant penicillins. So, here, what are acid resistant penicillins? It includes the penicillin V, then there is also the oxacillin, then comes the dicloxacillin, then is the cloxacillin, and then is the amoxicillin and the amoxicillin, as well as the ampicillin. So to recap, we have the penicillin 5, then the oxacillin, then comes the dicloxacillin, the cloxacillin, as well as the amoxicillin, ampicillin. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.